We are at 4721 Belfort Road, Pikesville, Maryland. We are going to be doing a repair of a damaged shingle. Under the box is the shingle that we're going to be replacing. This is the one that has the wind damage to it. We did find 4 on the front, so we're picking this one. We will have to manipulate 2 rows of shingles above in order to get all the nails out to replace the shingle below. There's a tearing.
Yeah.
Alright, we're running into a problem where, lift it up, don't pull too hard, where the shingles are above that we're trying to detach. You can see right there that it's ripping the shingle, which we're replacing that shingle, but it's going to be probably doing the same thing on the shingle above. So yeah, I can see where it's tearing it. See there where the shingle was torn. Yep. Hold it. Put that down. You can see here where the seal strip actually was ripping the fibers and the granules off. Same thing right there. Same thing there, it ripped it. Same thing. Again, the same thing. Okay. Let's put this one back. Go ahead, keep going. Sorry. When I stood up, hit the button, it popped, turned off. Shingle. Alrighty. Okay, shingles replaced. Couldn't find an exact match to the color, but you can also see some granular displacement along here, here, and here. Some on this one. Because the matting tore on the underside and we have granular displacement, There's actually additional shingles that need to be replaced in order to properly do a repair to prevent future leaks. So because of that, this would be considered a fail.